Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And yes, this is Omkara Tarot. My setting is, well, it's temporary at the moment since I am moving home in city and I've arrived at my new home, but my stuff hasn't arrived. So let's just kind of make do with this and let's see what we have for your love bite. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright, Saggis, if my voice is resounding, it's because I have no furniture at the moment. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being so patient with me. I will be back on schedule, hopefully from Monday. And if you're new here, Sagittarius, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, 5 of Cups in reverse, center of my spread, which is a wonderful card to have in the reverse. But then I also have a King of Wands in reverse. Okay, now this person, well, let's see. Somebody wants to reconcile. Maybe they want to come back. They don't want to have this stress anymore. Somebody is not very happy. They want to get out of the cold and they don't want to go back and forth any longer. But I don't know if there is a second chance here. Well, one person definitely wants to reconcile, Sagittarius. They definitely want maybe this King of Wands to make a decision because they're just not bringing balance to this relationship, maybe being very selfish, being very self-centered. And that's the reason things have stagnated, right? So what I'm going to do, Sagittarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. Sagittarius and their person, spirit. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Take a few more from here, Sagittarius. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, I'm back now and accepting personal readings as well. Okay, and my email is in the description box below. You can find it there. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you that it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. Wow. Now that's selfish. I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions don't match with the words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. See, I told you, somebody wants this back and forth to end. They want their person to make a choice, make a decision. I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try and warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. I took an oath with God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and to take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. I'm stuck in my ego and pride, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. Please make time for me. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. Alright, Saggis, these were some of your messages. Let's start with your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for this read. Then we'll go on to the cards. So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius. Signs from above. Sagittarius, I don't know which side you're on. Are you the person who's waiting for that reconciliation, or you're on the other side? I don't know, but I think this card is for you, Sagittarius. Look out for the signs. Sometimes the writing is on the wall and one misses it. So maybe the angels are trying to get your attention to direct you to your correct path. Okay, so look out for signs, symbols, synchronicities, repeating numbers. Maybe even, if you play music, if you put your intention out there, sometimes you get messages through music as well. So look out for signs from the universe as to the direction that you should take for your life. Okay, so let's start with your reading. Spirit, what's this Three of Cups? Three of Cups for Sagittarius. Somebody is waiting for somebody else to return, getting very impatient, wanting a reconciliation, wanting a return. Eight of Cups in reverse with the Three of Cups. Wanting a reconciliation, come back. Three of Wands also in reverse, which is again another card of, feeling weak. Weak for this connection, weak for this person, even though they always show up as the King of Wands in reverse. Second time this card. This is an overall energy as well, Sagittarius. Somebody who's very egoistic, very prideful, very only taking care of themselves. So this is somebody, who doesn't really bring strength to a connection. It pisses their person off, yes, it does. It makes them very angry. It doesn't make them feel they can trust them. There's anger, there's upset, but there is love as well. There is a lot of love here. Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords in reverse is somebody who doesn't trust and is very upset and angry. And then suddenly comes the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Swords says, but I still love them. I still love them. I just don't like the way they make me feel, having sleepless nights and nightmares. I just want to be pulled out of that energy. If they would only come back and, make things right with me. So, Nine of Swords in reverse. Yeah, because one person is left alone all the time. Left alone, single, fending for themselves, working on their own life, working on their own pentacle, or maybe one person is now maybe thinking that it's better to do that. Yeah, I think that's this. Even though there's love here, I think one person is finally picking themselves up to say, how long am I going to wait? How long will I have these sleepless nights? Why don't I just pick myself up and become the best version of myself for me? Work on my own pentacle, work on my own life. Because the person I'm dealing with has always shown me not the best side of themselves, always behaving like a cold-hearted person, being rude to me, being, like almost a narcissist. So I think one person is very disappointed. They feel none of their wishes have come true dealing with this King of Wands because they never invest in the connection. Yes, Judgment in reverse. Is it even worth waiting around now? Is it even worth, giving them a second chance? It's time to make a decision. It's time to make a choice and get myself out of always never being offered, feeling bored and neglected and rejected. I think it's time that I should drop the ball now. Why am I staying in a place which is always keeping me, imbalanced and juggled? Somebody is going after their own happiness. Somebody is deciding, I am going to stop communication now. I'm no longer waiting for a message from them. I'm going off for a brand new beginning by myself and going towards my Nine of Cups, something that makes me happy. This is an active choice I think somebody is making. The Lover spirit? Yeah, somebody is making a choice to hold back because they've never been offered this. The person has always held back from offering this Queen the respect she deserves. Always making this Queen of Pentacles feel, this is like the wife card, right? Somebody who's your spouse or somebody who you respect and your other half. But this Queen of Pentacles is showing up in reverse. So somebody is feeling, what's the point? What's the point of waiting around for somebody who's always going to be so tight and held back and never giving me respect? So what's the Judgment in reverse, spirit? Judgment in reverse. It's difficult. It is difficult. But the problem here is that too many bad memories have been created now in this connection because of this emperor being in reverse, a very controlling individual. Somebody who always wants to have the last word. They like to control. They like to, you know what I mean, right? Always sitting in their ego and pride and, one-upping and I'm the best and, this thing has to go according to the way I will say. Yes, somebody is never ready to transform this connection. They don't like change in their life, right? So I think there is somebody here who's saying, all right, so let's call it quits, let's call it ending. I don't think a second chance is even warranted for this kind of connection. Yes, the Queen of Cups could be going off for new love, towards new love, absolutely. There is, yes, somebody is choosing new love. See, this is, Knight of Cups is a card of new suitors, new love, communicating with new people, maybe choosing to go silent on this past person. Let's confirm this 1 second. Spirit, who's this Knight of Cups? Knight of Cups, is it the past person communicating? No. Okay. Yeah, Spirit says no, there's past person is not the one. I think this Queen of Cups is moving towards interacting and talking to new people, it seems. No longer excited or even enthusiastic about waiting around for somebody who never really offered them this 10 of Cups. Somebody who always made them feel less than. Always played mind games. I think this Queen has kind of given up hope now that, well, I'm not waiting around for somebody who's going to always appear as the King of Wands. Selfish, self-centered. Let's take a card for this. King of Wands in reverse, Spirit. King of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody is deciding, somebody is choosing that, hey, if you are going to keep me as an option, I am going to choose me. I will make the decision for you. I'm no longer going to be standing in, limbo while you are always in two minds or having other options or choosing other people over me. I'm choosing that I don't want you. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Hope it worked. Let me know, please, in the comments. And I will see you again soon. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.